We at Bold Mortgage Group have been a part of the Knight and Team's Canada Day event since the beginning, all 7 years. This event touches a special place in my heart, especially because I am part of the Lake Pointe community. Lived there over 20 years. My daughters have worked at the event, volunteered for it. So I've seen personally how this event gives back to our community.
I think it's a fantastic event that brings together families and friends and community, and it's just focused on building memories and kindness and love, which is, after the last couple of years, we need a lot more of that in our lives.
As a new mortgage team in Hamilton, we're excited to be sponsoring the Knight and Canada Day event in Hamilton.
We're super excited to sponsor the Canada Day party and super excited to see you out.
There's been thousands of people that have come out to this event at the park, and it just really touches a special place in our community.
So I hope everybody has an awesome Canada Day and builds some great friendships and new friendships and memories today. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
See you on Canada Day, everybody.
Look forward to seeing you there on Canada Day.